Okay, this is probably going to set off some people's OCD, but I'm still in the process of getting everything hooked back up. And these are all the cables that I yanked off, so I only have one server up and running. By the way, this is TerrorPUP, and this is an update on my project, okay? So, I moved the switches to the back. I'm actually using VLANs. I got the VLANs working on this Cisco Small Business. This is a Netgear. They're both technically 48 ports, but they do have 50, and I do have a DAC cable running to my desk, so I have a little bit more. And I'm gonna straighten it up, clean it up. Okay, I have the main router that the kids use up and running with the wireless. I've not hooked up my Banana Pi R3. Let's go to the front. So I got Ugly Scale up and running. That is the mini rack. Okay, I figure I'd get that one up and running. There's my B4. Okay. This is my Zima 2 gig that's running pfSense. Works great. I need to get it hooked up. That is the pfSense 8 gig, which is a gaming server. I run LG SM on it, and I got Team Fortress, Quake, Minecraft Bedrock, and Minecraft Java on it, and it runs quite nice on that little 8 gig. And yeah, the wiring still looks kind of ugly, but I'm gonna have my other hard drives here. I got 2 of them hooked up. One is actually active. It goes to the NAS that you guys saw me rebuild. I'm changing out the cables. The cables that were on the Utronic that were going to the Renegades there were black. Black is for... This goes all the way over to the 10-inch mini rack, but black is for Ugly Scale, red is for my Magi design, and white is for Soft Meta. And like I said, right now I only have one server up and running. I had to get this one back online because this has my DNS servers. And apparently when I decided to go offline, the caching stopped working and Google stopped working. And let's just say, if you tried to send me an email, there's probably a good reason I haven't gotten it. So, but anyway, the goal is to keep this with minimum cables back there like what you're seeing right now. I got to vacuum and get that cleaned up. But we'll get this all hooked up. My website should be back online. Okay. This is a backup server that I really do need to get up and running, but I honestly would love to change it out for the Orange Pi, and I got a video coming up on that where I'm going to get it and I'm going to get the software set up. This is running, well, you'll see in the video. Alright, but anyway, it's a little bit cleaner. Oh, up underneath my desk, I put the 16 gig that was on the back over here, because that 48 made more sense, because with me using VLANs, I'm going to definitely use that. So, yeah, it's ugly still. The doghouse is still in disarray. Who knows? I got a funny feeling by the time I get everything hooked back up, I'm going to have a lot of cables free. So, but anyway, until the next video, this is TerrorPUP wishing everybody peace.